Hello everyone, welcome back to the quick tech tutorial. Today for this video of quick tech I will be showing you how to turn on notification on Messenger. So for that what you need to do is you need to open the Messenger application, but the process to turn on notification on Messenger is through the mobile setting. So then open the mobile setting first. Then once you're at the mobile setting, you need to go to apps and notification, tap on it. There you need to type in Messenger or go to the Messenger app info page. So tap on it. Once you tap on that, you will have this app info page of Messenger. Here you need to tap on notification, and right now my setting for the Messenger is turn off. That means I won't be getting any notification currently. So to turn on, all you have to do is tap on the toggle turning on the notification, that is so notification, and from here you will be getting all the notification. This is a way to turn on notification from the mobile device, but you can also do this from the Messenger. That is only if you have turned off notification for a certain someone through the Messenger application, that is mute the notification of certain someone. You can unmute them from the Messenger application within itself. Hope this video was useful on how you can turn on notification. Please like and subscribe the quick tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.